I woke up to this comment about a Bini guy calling the Usen people Benin and all that. He said your Enogie over there is under the Oba of Benin, and you people are referred to as Edo people. You are a community in Edo State. Soon your language is going to go extinct. Usen people are Edo people. We are being referred to as Edo people because of the state we are in. We find ourselves in Edo State. So which means we are referred to as Edo people. Just like we find the Yoruba subgroup, like the Shekiris in Delta State, they can also be referred to as Delta people. You saying our language is going to go extinct, it's not something new. We have known that for long. That has been the wish of your Oba. Usen is not the only one being attacked. Utese, Ogbese is being attacked. It has been the plan of the Bini people. All our schools, you made it through the influence of the Oba or so. The Bini language is what is taught in our school in Usen land. Usen land in the Yoruba community. I don't know how people like you think. In one comment, you want the Yorubas to leave the Edos alone, and at the other comment, you want to attack people, like you want to hold monopoly to violence, or you want to hold monopoly to stupidity, or you want to hold monopoly to everything. And now you are saying, what did you even say there? You're Enogie over there. We are not like other Bini communities, like the Igwe Ogbese. Ogbese self is even a Yoruba community, but they have a Nogi over there. Okomu. We in the Edo Ovia Southwest local government, like the Okomu people, the Ikoro people, Gele, what's it called? Our local government headquarters, Igobazowa. Those people have a Nogi. Let me tell you, in Usen, we have a kingdom. We have a king, and our king is referred to as Oba. So our current king is called Oba Oluogbe, the Olu Awure of Usen land, and is the 39th Oba of Usen land. Oba Oluogbe, forefathers, is the elder brother to Oromia that is now sitting in the Benin Palace. Are you not surprised that the Oba give command to every community in Edo South local senatorial district, but it doesn't come close to Usen? You have to go to your palace and talk to your king. Your king cannot give order to Usen. He not dare. Oba of Benin not dare to give order to Usen. We all know. Though the king, the Oba of Benin is suppressing us, we are not in Edo Traditional Council. We don't care. We have our kingdom. The day Edo State is going to burn, not even Edo South, the day Edo State is going to burn is when Oba say the kingdom is Usen, is illegitimate, and he's trying to send his brother to Usen to be an Enogie. That's when Edo State will burn. We have been daring you people for long, but I don't know why you don't want to come. Like, just come to Usen and say, oh, the Oluawure is not legitimate. The Oba want to install an Enogie there, one of his brother. And then you go know, say, Usen where you see like that. And then you go know, say, your palace secret, most of your palace secret lies with us. You understand? Just leave us alone.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what this Yoruba guy from Usen in Edo State said. You heard where he said that the Oba of Bini have tried to annex Usen people by trying to impose Bini language on them. You heard everything he said, and these are the things that I said in my previous video. Bini people are expansionists. They go about calling the kings of other people Enogie, which they refer to as a chief. If you look at the comments that this person said, if you look at the comment that this young man is replying to, look at what he said. He said that Usen language will soon go into extinction and they will start speaking Bini language. He said that the Oba of Usen, who happens to be the elder brother of Oromia that gave birth to the first Oba of Bini, that Bini guy is saying that the Oba of Usen is under the Oba of Bini. When I tell you that many of these Bini people don't have sense, people will be like, why they talk like that? Many of them don't have sense. Look at the comment of this Ozwai from Bini. Many of them don't have sense. But their plans and agenda towards non-Bini speaking people will fail. Everybody have to rise up and speak against the marginalization of their people. That's what we are doing for Ibanke people. We will always resist these people. This is how these Bini people will be telling you there are no king in Igbo land. All the kings in Igbo land cannot be compared to the Oba of Bini. Oba of Bini that is just 900 years old. The kingship in Igbo land is even older than the one in Yoruba land where Bini people came from. According to Yoruba history, their first king is Oduduwa, which is just 1,000 years old, who existed in the 1100s. You want to compare Oduduwa dynasty that started to exist 1,000 years ago to Aguleri dynasty that started existing 900 AD, which is 1,200 years ago. The oldest dynasty in Nigeria is Aguleri dynasty. Oldest. Now they thought say our kings dey under Yoruba. Ozwaimo. All these Bini people, many of them don't have sense. That's why they come online saying all sort of rubbish. They believe that they own those states. Just small local government where una be, una don dey claim say na una give birth to everybody. Esan said they are not Bini people. Bini people are forcing Esan people to identify as Bini. Ibanke said that they are not Bini. Bini people are forcing Ibanke people to identify as Bini. Now, the Yoruba people in those states, Bini people are forcing Bini identity on them. Shameless people. And when we are here talking about this, people will be saying, why are you dragging these people? Dragging them, you are seeing what they are doing. You are complaining of dragging. Well, everybody should fight their fight. We Igbos, we will fight any fight that concerns the Igbos. Any fight that concerns the Igbo race, any Igbo region, we must stand by them because they are our brothers. And that is what every tribe in this country are expected to do. Igbo Bofu, and we will never sit back and watch Bini people calling our kings Enoge or chiefs. It will never happen. We will be here to enlighten the world about our identity. We Anyama people are Igbos. The Igbos of Edo State, Ibanke, Iru and others, Ekpon, all of them are Igbos. Igbo Bofu, and we will never allow the agenda of anybody to divide us. Ishiagwali.